In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Board View. Let's get started by opening ClickUp and signing in. When your workspace loads, you'll land on an overview of your space. ClickUp offers several ways to visualize work, and Board View is perfect if you like a clean, card-based layout that reflects a Kanban workflow. Look to the sidebar or the View tabs and select Board. If a board already exists, it will open right away. If you don't see a board icon at the top, click the plus View button to add one. From the options, choose the Board, Kanban, View. This creates a visual board with columns, often based on task status, so you can drag and drop tasks to show progress at a glance. Once your board appears, take a moment to look around. You can scan columns to see what's in progress and what's done, and you can quickly spot bottlenecks. Try clicking the urgent grouping or filter to bring high-priority tasks into focus. This small habit helps your team align on what matters most. Just like that, your priorities are clear and visible. Open a task on the board. Say, the one about customer requirements. Inside the task, click Add Time to use built-in time tracking. This is a great way to understand effort, plan capacity, and report progress. Let's add 4 hours. Select 4H and then click Save. With that logged, you can also add tags to keep work discoverable and consistently labeled. Click the tag area if it's empty, type the tag you want, and click Create. That's all it takes to standardize how tasks are categorized across your projects. When you're done, close the task window to return to your board. If you see a subtask count on a card, click it to open the subtask list. Select the relevant subtask, then add an assignee by clicking the assignee field and choosing the appropriate team member. Clear ownership keeps work moving without back and forth. Back on the board, remember, you can rearrange tasks seamlessly. Drag cards between columns as work advances, and add or remove tasks as your plan evolves. If the board feels busy, use controls like Collapse Group to temporarily hide sections and focus on what you need right now. And that's it. You've set up and started working with Board View and ClickUp. Use it to visualize your workflow, surface priorities, and keep the team aligned. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.